Right, questionnaires, and we're looking at exam questions here. So question 1, it says a survey was carried out. One of the purposes of the survey was to obtain data on how often people aged 60 and over bought pizza. Only the following 2 questions were asked. So question 1, what is your name and address? And question 2, how often do you buy pizzas? Never, 1 to 3 times, 4 to 6 times, or 6 times or more. Okay, so part A then says for each question, give one reason why it's not suitable. Well, if we look at question 1, okay, what is your name and your address? Here it's asking for confidential information, okay, which a survey should never do, okay, right? There's no need for them to know what your name and address is. It's not going to affect the actual survey. So we'll just say, okay, survey should not ask for confidential information. Confidential or personal information. What's wrong with question 2? Well, if you notice with question 2, there's no time frame there. It says how often do you buy pizzas, but it doesn't say over a period of a year or over a month. It should say, shouldn't it, how often do you buy pizzas in a month? Or how often do you buy pizzas a year? Okay, so there's no time frame. So we can write that down and we get the marks. Okay. The other thing I suppose you could see as well, if you notice 6 overlaps, okay, so you could have written that down instead, you know, as long as you've got one reason down, but 6 overlaps. Okay, it's in 2 boxes. Now if you did buy pizza 6 times, you wouldn't know which box to tick, okay, and you need to just tick one box. Okay, part B, write down a different question which would be necessary and appropriate for this survey. Now what I think is important here is the age, obviously, yeah, because they're interested in people who are age 60 and over, okay, in terms of them buying pizza. So we need to know their age when we're asking this survey. We need to know, are they 60 or more? Okay, so a question asking about age. That's important. And when you do ask about age, okay, you could say, how old are you? But what's really important is that you give response boxes, okay? Because if you, so you could be that there, you could be 16 to say 30, okay, 31 to say 50, what are we going to have them, 51 to 59, and then the most important one for this is 60 and over, okay? You need a box for 60 and over so that you can see which ones are 60 and over. It's important to have response boxes because people don't like to say, don't they, how old they are, but if there's a range of answers, then they're happy to tick one of them. C, the survey was carried out by questioning people leaving a pizza restaurant on a Saturday night. Give one criticism of this. Well, this is going to be like a biased survey, we would say, because you are only going to be asking people who are actually like pizza, okay? Only asking people who like pizza. What you're better off doing is going to a location where you will meet people who like pizza and don't like pizza, okay? So location is important. A town centre would be ideal. That would be the best place to go for a survey.